Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I'm going to show you the Capitol Commons, the eastern extension of Ortigas Center. Capitol was conceived to provide an alternative premier destination in Pasig City, Metro Manila, na kung saan umaagos ang pag-asa. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam guys, dito dati yung Rizal Provincial Capitol at ito na siya ngayon. Please join with me guys para makita nyo kung gaano nakaganda ang place. Okay guys, let's go! FYI guys, Capitol Commons is a 10-hectare mixed-use development located along Meralco Avenue, Corner Show Boulevard, Ortigas Center that features Pasig's first high-end shopping center called Estancia at Capitol Commons, modern living spaces, office facilities, and commercial areas that showcase premium retail and entertainment selections. Guys, dito tayo ngayon mismo sa footbridge along Shaw Boulevard. Please samahan nyo pa rin ako guys, ipasyal ko kayo dito sa labas ng Capitol Commons para makita nyo ang transformation. At pagkatapos dito, pasyal ko kayo sa loob ng Estancia, the first high-end shopping center in Pasig City. FYI guys, dito sa Capitolio mismo ang main road to BGC Ortigas Link Bridge, also known as Santa Monica Loton Bridge. At meron din akong drone footage sa construction update. At meron link at the end of my video or sa description box. Sana po mapapanood nyo ang isa sa pinakamalaking projects ng current admin.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. Keep safe everyone.